Scrap that filter right here. Filter flip. Once, twice. There we go. Trash can right here. Alright. Let's get some sample from right here. I'll loop her up. Get this guy out of here. Grab a rag here. I always clean this little housing up. Let's get the filter on there. Twist, twist. Tight. Yeah. There we go. Not too tight. I have no grip here. Tight as I can go. Get this guy out of here. Get my tools back on this trash can worktop. Coming down, buddy. Slow roll. Take your time. No need to rush. Yeah, this guy here. Put you here. Stay. Don't move. Yeah, get in there. I'll pump some oil. 5.5. Let's double check on the floor right here. Woo! Pop this guy. And we're gonna pump some 530 full synthetic inside this V6 baby. Gonna give it that little wiggle deep in there. Gonna cap this back up. Pop this open. And no spill. Alright. Sit you down here. Put the cap back in. Bunch of oil in my gloves. Come on now. There we go. Pop her in here. Let's get a rag. Now check this. Oh, ow! Woo! Touched my wrist right there. Shee! Come on. Start her up. Yeah, right. Push start, baby. Woo! V6 sounding good, huh? Gonna get that light reset for you. 0% remaining. That is crazy. We're gonna reset it though. It's gonna say 100%. Boom, right there. Let's go, baby. Let's grab that rag back here. I'll check that oil one more time. She's looking good. She's looking good. License plate cover. Perfect. She's ready for another 5,000 miles. And